All right, I'm Edsel Shreve from Bioconnect, and just to tell you a little bit about what we do, we're the leading provider of biometric solutions integrated with the world's leading access control platforms. So what makes us unique, first and foremost, is that we provide world-leading biometric solutions, both fingerprint and facial authentication solutions. They're integrated with top 8 or 9 access control platforms. Our basic premise is that all of your user management, credentials, pictures, photos should all be done in your access control system. And then we pull that information into our application and handle all the biometric stuff. So anything from enrollment to template distribution and management to user management as it pertains to biometric templates. But we have a very, very tight integration with your access control system. So any adds, changes, deletes, we pick up. You're not going to manage any of that in our system, but we're going to handle all of the biometric access control. So it really does start with a great world-class device. But what we do uniquely is that we believe that it's about more than the device. So the actual architecture that's required to run these in an efficient way and at scale, and with high security, and with privacy, and with serviceability are all the things that differentiate us. What we do is we probably have 30 or 40 of the top co-location data center providers that leverage our technology, as well as a lot of hyperscaler and leading IT firms. We've never failed an IT security review, so what we've always built from the ground up is a very cyber secure platform, right, that allows, we've never failed an IT security review, so we do that by building from the ground up all the capabilities around data protection and encryption, server scalability, redundancy, failover. These are all the things that you don't see when you just look at a device on a wall, but that are required, especially at scale, when you're trying to deploy a solution of this type while maintaining a great user experience using the technology, great and consistent everywhere you go. So the other thing that we invest a lot in is when it comes to biometrics, there's always privacy concerns. So how do I gather consent, track consent, and then what kind of data management tools do I have to manage templates, the age of templates, the deletion based on user privacy requirements, so that's also key. And then the last thing is just how do you really track the telemetry, what's going on with the readers, with the servers, with the network pertaining to the system. So that's where the servicing, service-ready capabilities come about. And lastly, we pair that with just great experts, right? People that answer the phone when you call, right? It's kind of important. It sounds minor, but you'd be surprised how much it doesn't happen, or that they are actually here in North America answering the phone. And then we have great professional services experts that know your entire technology stack. Not only the biometrics and the software, but they understand how your servers need to be set up, they understand how devices need to be networked, they understand how your access control system works, so that they can tell you how it fits into your stack. So that's really what differentiates us. Is a lot of people will talk about how great their devices are. Ours are world class. We put them up against anything in this entire show. What we uniquely bring is all the other things that you need around those to be successful, especially where security requirements are the highest and scale requirements are the highest, and that's what we do here at Blackhat.